Hello everyone, this is Aurelia at Aurelia's Crafting Ideas. I have a Dollar Tree haul to share with you, and I hope that you will join me. I went to my Dollar Tree and I found some more goodies, and let me show you what I found this week. Let's start off with the harvest items I found. So I found this Harvest DIY pins. Look at this. Just a little truck with the pumpkins in the back. It's so adorable. So cute. So I brought two home with me. I needed 8 pins for who knows what. I just love them. They're so cute. And I also found the mini hay bales. I found 2 more packages, so which is a good thing. And we do get 8 bales in each bag. I am happy to find those. I think I finally have enough for my project now. I may still need one more, but we'll see. And then I found some modeling clay. I did not even know Dollar Tree carries modeling clay. So I picked it up in the white, orange, and yellow. I think I'm going to make some more candy corns. This is such a good buy. It's such a large piece of clay. It is 6.7 ounce. I mean, feels very pliable. It's not hard like, a stone. So I'm going to give these a try. I also picked up some more candles. This time I found the white birch in the big votives. Well, I don't even know if they're called votives, but they're larger than a votive, smaller than a pillar. I don't know what the size is called, but it does come with a little brown jute with some metal leaves. They're so cute. So I picked up 2 in the white birch. And then I found the Palo Santo and the wax melt. It comes in 6 little bricks and you just break it apart. So I'm happy I found this one. And I only got one of those. I also picked up some other items. Look what I found. This is a cake decorating tool set, and it's 3 pieces. I know it's designed for cakes, for cake decorating, but I picked it up for my craft projects. I wanted this large ball. See there? Like for embossing, shaping. I needed one of these. So these tools actually have names. So we have, this one is called a large and a small ball tool. This one is called a decorative pin. It's for molding and molding decorative lace, it says. And then we have the knife. That's this one. And the needle tools. They feel a little delicate because they are made out of plastic, but I'm willing to give it a try. And I just bought the 1 set. I finally found my napkin. Look at that. It's the floral napkin everyone's been hauling during the spring and summer season. It is so pretty. I picked it up in the beverage napkins, and you get 24 in a package. I am very happy I found my napkin. I also picked up some more ribbons, and they're Offray ribbons. Look at this. This is navy blue. It is such a pretty dark color, and it is grosgrain ribbon, but it's so pretty. I picked up 2 of these. I also picked up 2 orange ones. Now, they're not really quite orange. They're a bit on the dark side. It's like a darker orange. So pretty. This is the satin finish, and I picked up 2 of those. And both these ribbons are 5/8 inch wide by 9 feet. That is such a good buy. I'm having a ball with finding all these pretty ribbons at the Dollar Tree. And then I found this one. Look at this. It is so pretty. Look at that. It's got little flowers all over it. And then this one is 3/8 inch by 9 feet. I'm having a field day with my Offray ribbons. And then look at this one. Isn't that the prettiest ever? Look at that. Oh, such amazing ribbon. Let's see. I think it goes this way. I have it upside down. Look at that. It is so pretty. And then this one, they only have one of these. I will have to look for some more to see what other colors it might come in. This one is 1.5 inch wide by 9 feet. Look at that. Just $1. It's so pretty. I love this one. So cute. And then I found some ribbon, and this is by Pure Color Expressions. It says More Rex ribbon. I've never heard of this brand. I don't know who would originally carry these ribbons. Look at this. It's orange with yellow polka dots. The polka dots are glittered. And then this is, oh, it's called Sugar Dots Ribbon. Orange yellow. It is 7/8 inch by 4 yards. That so pretty. I like it. And then I also found it in this one. Look at that. Cute. And then this one is tangerine with white dots. And it is 1.5 inch by 3 yards. So pretty. I don't know where all these ribbons Dollar Tree's getting, but I'm loving it. And I found myself a new book. I found Endless Night. It's by Kirsty Cole. Okay, so I opened it right at the store, and it said, Shocking Secrets, Unexpected Allies, Gut-Wrenching Treachery. And I was like, oh, sold. It's a really good new horror story for me for Halloween. I am really happy I found this one. Yep, that was mine. So after all that excitement of the book, look what I found for Christmas. I can't believe it. I am loving my Dollar Tree. Look, I had to bring 3 home with me. These are the LED lights for Christmas. Look at this. It's the little tread truck. Oh, they're so adorable. So yeah, I brought 3 home with me. And then these are 3 feet, you know, regular for Dollar Tree. And it has 10 lights on there. So we get 10 little trucks. Isn't that the cutest thing ever? I am on the hunt for the gnome. I need the gnomes next. My Dollar Tree is putting out a lot of Christmas items, and I am so happy. Look at this. It's one of those ice sculpture ornaments. Look at that. It is so pretty. Look at it sparkle. I fell in love. Thank you, Dollar Tree. I bought 3. Oh, it's so pretty. I can't wait to add it to my Christmas tree. Now, this ornament also comes in like a light blue color. But this is the one I wanted. Okay, look, this is the one I fell in love with. Let's put it that way. So pretty. And next, I found some DIY 3D craft kits. Look at this. Let me open these. Oh my goodness. They're so pretty. These, look at this. This is the one with Santa. Santa and the little bear. Look at that. And you get a tree. You get candy canes. You get Xmas. You get a tree. Look at that. Isn't it pretty? And if you want to, you can put it on the base. I have a different idea in mind, so I bought me 2 sets of these. Look at that. Well, can't see it, but here we go. This is what it looks like in the bag. We take it out. This is what it looks like. It is such a cute little set. I am very happy with this. Let me push these aside and I will show you the other ones. Oh my goodness, I am really happy. I found these. And then I found this set for, oh, look at this one, the nativity scene. So you get the shack or the shed, or anyway, this piece here. And you get your 3 wise men. You get your, well, you know what, they look the same, Mary and Joseph. Weird. Anyway, so here we go. And then you get baby Jesus. You know what? I think there's an error. Hold on. I have, good thing I bought 2 sets. Look, let me open this one. Let me show you. Okay, here we go. This one is right. So you get Joseph and you get Mary. You get baby Jesus and the 3 wise men. Yeah, this is, this set is wrong. I will have to exchange this one. Let me put that aside so I can remember to take that back. So this is what your nativity set's supposed to come. Look at that. So pretty. I like it. I'm very happy with this set. I've never seen Dollar Tree carry anything like this. I'm very happy with it. Usually when you get your, you know, pieces like this, it's already glued to a baseboard. I'm very happy it came individually. Next, I have this one, and then on this one we have, of course, we've got the base. We have the trees. We get 3 trees on this one. That is cute. We get the house, a candy cane, a tree, and a present. Look at that. So cute. I wanted the house on this kit. You know, the rest is bonus. So I bought 3 sets of this one. And, you know, since the last open package horror, I'll make sure these look okay. These packages look okay. Let me put these aside and I will show you one more. There are 4 different packages. 4 different styles. You know, and I'm very happy with it. And then this one is with the snowman. Of course, you get your base again. You get 3 trees. You get your green tree, candy cane, Xmas, and the star of the show. Look at this snowman. It's so cute. Got the little cardinal. So adorable. So this is what comes in that set. Now I bought these at different stores and I couldn't remember what I bought. So I now have 4 packages. But you know, I'll find purpose for it. I'm not worried. Nope. Nope. Nope indeed. Oh, but yeah, I want to go return to the nativity one. Now, I did pick up 3 bags of the gingerbread boys. Let me show you. Look at that. Isn't it so cute? It's, you know, depending how you design it, you can make your gingerbread boy or your gingerbread girl. So cute. And you get 14 pieces in each bag. I also picked up some of the bells. I picked up 3 bags of these, and you also get 14 of those. And let me show you. Look at that. They're so cute. Now, these little shapes here, you can, if you want, they come in 4 different shapes. Of course, you get your bell, you get your gingerbread boy, and it also comes in the snowflake and in a star if you want it, all 4 designs. It's a cute little set there if you want in all 4. I wanted to show you this box. It got missed in the shuffle from my last haul. It is so cute. We got the little 3D sticker on top. It's very pretty. And then you get hollies, pine cones, and the berries on there all the way around. It is such a pretty color. I love the pattern on there. And I'm not doing anything special with this box, but leaving it as it is. It is so cute. That is everything for my Dollar Tree haul. Well, I hope that I was able to help you in some small way in deciding some of the items you may be wanting to pick up soon, or some items you've already picked up, and never know. Always here to help. I enjoyed my shopping this week. I just love Christmas. Of course, I love Halloween too. I love all my seasons and all the goodies that Dollar Tree has available for us. And I hope that you guys find what you are looking for at your Dollar Tree. Well, thank you for stopping by to take a look at my Dollar Tree haul. I mean, there's so much here. There's so much goodie Dollar Tree has to offer for us. I mean, look at this. Lots and lots of goodies. And I just love this little truck. It's so adorable. It won't stay up. There we go. We have harvest items. We have crafting items. We have Halloween, Christmas. Oh my goodness, there's more to come for sure. I would just like to say thank you for stopping by to watch my Dollar Tree haul. I will see you next time. Again, this is Aurelia at Aurelia's Crafting Ideas.